For example, if we have nitrobenzene, students, here nitro group is attached to the benzene ring, right? If we have nitrobenzene and if we want to do its chlorination, right, we want to do its chlorination, students, we know very well, if we want to do chlorination, we must require Lewis acid catalyst, that is ferric chloride. So here we write the Lewis acid catalyst, that is ferric chloride. Chlorination is preceded in the presence of ferric chloride, right? Now after the chlorination, we will see what product is obtained. When nitro group is attached to the benzene ring, right, then we will see what is the position of chlorine atom. Here nitro group is attached to the benzene ring. In the presence of nitro group, always chlorine atom would come at this position, right, that is at meta position, as well as HCl is also formed in the medium, HCl, right? So if we do the halogenation, that is chlorination of nitrobenzene, right, then chlorine atom would come at meta position. Let's see one more example. For example, if we have chlorobenzene, and if we want to do its nitration, so we write here chlorobenzene. Here we have chlorobenzene, students, right, and we want to do its nitration. For nitration, we know very well we need equimolar mixture of nitric and sulfuric acid. That means we need 2 moles of nitric acid and 2 moles of sulfuric acid. We heat this mixture, right, up 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. We heat the mixture. Now if we want to do the nitration of chlorobenzene, then we will see what products are obtained if we do its nitration, right? Here we have chlorine atom. Now in the presence of chlorine atom, the nitro group always would come at this position, that is at ortho position. We get here nitro group, right, as well as in the second molecule we will see we get nitro group at, here we have chlorine, and nitro group would come at para position. Here at this position we get nitro group. So here we need 2 moles of chlorobenzene, right? In this example, students, we have noticed if we have 2 moles of chlorobenzene, right, we have 2 moles of chlorobenzene and we want to do its nitration, right? For the purpose of nitration, we need nitric and sulfuric acid. We take equal number of moles of nitric and sulfuric acid, right? In the presence of chlorine, always a nitro group would come at ortho as well as at para position. So as a result of nitration of chlorobenzene, we get ortho nitrochlorine as well as para nitrochlorine, right? But in the first case, here we notice if we have nitrobenzene, right, we have nitrobenzene here and we want to do its chlorination. For the purpose of chlorination, we must require here ferric chloride. Then in the presence of nitrobenzene, in the presence of nitro group, chlorine always come at meta position, right? So based upon these two reactions and certain other examples, we classify the it means nitro group as well as chloro group. They are known as directing groups because they direct the incoming substituents, that is chlorine atom or either nitro group at certain position, that is ortho or para position as well as meta position, right, students? So we have 2 types of directing groups. Those which direct the incoming substituents at ortho and para positions, they are known as ortho para directing groups. For example, chlorine atom, chloro group is ortho para directing group. Students, we see here in the presence of nitro group in the benzene ring, if you want to do its chlorination, right, then chlorine atom would come at meta position. Similarly, if we have chlorobenzene, and if you want to do its nitration, then nitro group would come at ortho and para positions. It means certain substituents which are attached with the benzene ring, right, in the monosubstituted benzene, then they direct the incoming substituents at ortho, para as well as at meta position. So we have two types of directing groups. What are directing groups, students? These are the groups which direct the incoming substituent at certain position, right? So we have two types of directing groups: ortho, para directing groups which direct the incoming substituent at ortho and para positions like here, as well as we have meta directing group, that is the directing group which direct the incoming substituent at meta position, right? So we have two types of directing groups. Students, here we have benzene molecule, and if ortho para directing group is attached with the benzene ring, here we have ortho or para directing. Ortho or para directing which is attached with the benzene ring, they have electron releasing or electron donating effect or electron releasing effect. This electron donating effect activated the benzene ring, for electrophilic attack, for the attack of electrophile, right, students? And they activate the benzene ring at ortho and para positions. Ortho and para positions. Now we will see how they activate the benzene ring at ortho and para positions. If ortho para directing groups, they are attached with the benzene ring like here, we make the benzene ring, right, students? Ortho para directing groups, they are attached with the benzene ring, then they have electron releasing effect, right? Electron releasing effect, due to electron releasing effect, they will activate the benzene ring at ortho and para positions. Okay? Whenever electrophile will attack on the benzene ring, okay? Whenever electrophile will attack on the benzene ring, always electrophile will attack at the electron rich site of the benzene ring. Since electrophile is an electron deficient species, right? So it will attack on at ortho position, right, at this position, or it may attack at this position. This attack is known as ortho attack. Ortho attack, right? This is ortho attack. This is para attack. So as a result of ortho attack, we get the ortho product. As a result of para attack, we get the para product. It means ortho para directing groups, they are benzene ring activators. Ortho para directing groups, they are benzene ring activators. These are the ortho para directing groups. They are benzene ring activator. They activate the benzene ring at ortho as well as at para positions. And they increase the reactivity of benzene ring, enhance the reactivity of benzene ring for the electrophilic attack. Now students, we will see some examples of ortho para directing groups. We have primary amines. Primary amines, they can serve as ortho para directing groups. Amines, right? Similarly, we have secondary amines, NR2. Then we have hydroxyl group, right? Then we have alkyl group. Now students, we will see some examples of ortho para directing groups. For example, primary amines, they can serve as ortho para directing group. Secondary amines, right? Then hydroxyl group, alkyl group, alkoxy group, chloro, bromo, and iodo. These are the examples of ortho para directing groups. These are the examples right? Examples of orthopara. Orthopara directing groups. Whenever these atoms or group of atoms, they are attached with the benzene rings, right? Whenever these atoms or group of atoms, these atoms or group of atoms, they are attached with a benzene ring, then always incoming substituent would come at ortho and para position. यानी जब ये वाले एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स बेंजीन रिंग के साथ अटैच होते हैं तो इनकी मौजूदगी में इफ वी डू द डाई सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ बेंजीन देन द सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑलवेज वुड कम एट ortho and para positions, right? They have electron releasing effect, and they activate the benzene ring at ortho and para positions, so that's why they are known as benzene ring activators. Now students, we will study meta directing groups. Directing groups, these are atoms or group of atoms which are attached with the benzene ring and they direct the incoming substituent at meta position. यानी ये वो atoms जो या group of atoms होते हैं जो benzene ring के साथ attach होते हैं and they direct the incoming substituent at meta position. They are known as meta directing groups. Meta directing groups are benzene ring deactivator. What are benzene ring deactivator? It is a substituents which deactivate the aromatic ring for the further substitution. यानी ये aromatic ring को further substitution के लिए deactivate कर देता है. Actually meta directing groups, when they are attached with the benzene ring, then they have electron withdrawing effect. They withdraw the electron from the benzene ring. They have electron withdrawing effect. They have electron withdrawing effect, right? And they withdraw the electron from the benzene ring. When they withdraw the electron from the benzene ring, then deactivate the benzene ring. Deactivate the benzene ring at ortho and para positions. At ortho and para positions, and in the presence of meta directing group, always the incoming substituent would come at meta positions. So they are benzene ring deactivator. They make the ortho and para positions electron deficient. We will see how they make the ortho and para position electron deficient. We make the benzene ring like this. We make the benzene ring. When meta directing group is attached with the benzene ring, this is meta directing group. Any meta directing group has electron withdrawing effect. Due to its electron withdrawing effect, these ortho and para positions, they becomes electron deficient. Due to this electron withdrawing effect, ortho and para position of benzene becomes electron deficient. You can notice here, these are the electron deficient positions due to this electron withdrawing effect of meta directing group. So whenever meta directing group is attached with the benzene ring, and if electrophile will attack on the benzene ring in the presence of meta directing group, if we have here electrophile which attack on the benzene ring in the presence of meta directing group, this is the electrophile, right? Itself it is a positive charged species or electron deficient species. So in the presence of meta directing group, it will always attack at meta positions. ठीक है ना, ये कभी भी ऑर्थो पैरा पोजिशंस पर अटैक नहीं करेगा बिकॉज ऑर्थो पैरा पोजिशंस ऑलरेडी दे आर electron deficient. These are the electron deficient, right? So meta directing group always attack at meta positions, either at this position or either at this position of benzene, right? At this position or at this position. So this attack is known as meta attack. This is meta attack, or this one is also a meta attack. So in the presence of meta directing group, always incoming substituent would come at meta positions, right? Meta directing groups, they are benzene ring deactivators. Meta directing groups are benzene ring deactivators. They deactivate the benzene ring at ortho and para positions, right? Now students, we will see some of the important examples of meta directing groups. For example, we have a nitro group. Nitro group is meta directing group. Similarly, a carboxylic group, a aldehyde group, a sulfonic group, nitrile group, COR group, etc. These are the some examples of meta-directing group. Whenever these groups or group of atoms, right, they are attached with a benzene ring, then always the incoming substituent would come at meta positions. That's why they are known as meta-directing groups. I hope you got the concept, students.